ang pinili mong kamay ay tama.
Yo! Let's go! I knew it. What's up, Dad? Oh, it's okay.
I was like overwhelmed with emotions, kuya. I was feeling happy. Tapos naiyak ako, kuya. Tapos na-excited ako, kuya. I miss you. Mostly po, kuya, napakasaya ko po kanina na nakita po ulit yung dada ko po, kuya.
Oh, man. Tayo ka nga. Lumita ko. Maybe it's my spine. Okay ka dito, lahat?
Yeah, saya dito. Pero namimiss ko din kayo.
Yeah, we miss you too. Miss you too. Let me see your defense now. Ah, nice. Training soon. Training tayo soon.
Ang dami ko ng tropa peps doon. Sila yung sinashadow.
Oh, yeah.
Sinashadow box ko.
Maya-maya pa, si Mike binigay na ang regalo kay Heath.
Merry Christmas, Moy. Oh! Yo! So we will always remember Max. There you go.
Thanks, Dad. Napaka-happy na alam po ng dad ko yung gusto ko pong ma-receive na gift po, kuya, which is my dog.
First Christmas without you, Moy. Next year, babawi tayo. So always be happy.
Heath, oras na para magpaalam.
Why I love you so much. I'm doing this all for you guys.
I know. Thank you so much.
Nalulungkot po ako kasi na nakikita ko po sila. They're getting old na po, kuya. Ayoko yun, kuya. I just want them to be here lang forever. I can't imagine my life without them po, kuya. Parang dito po sa bahay, wala po sila. Sa gabi po, kuya. Sometimes I just cry myself to sleep po, kuya, dahil mamimiss ko na po sila.
See you next year. Yeah. Bye, I love you so much. Love you.
Sa pagstay po dito, mas binigyan na po ako ng power or strength to keep going, kuya. Like, hindi na ako susuko, kuya. So, nakatulong po ito ng super big po, kuya, talaga. Thanks, Da.